10 things you must not do in your first trimester of pregnancy. I've already talked about the 10 things you must do during your first trimester of pregnancy. Now I'm talking about the 10 things you must not do in your first trimester of pregnancy. Number one, make sure you avoid certain chemicals. In fact, all chemicals, avoid it. Chemicals may be in your shampoos, your hair lotion, your cream, your body cream. Some kind of chemicals, avoid them. Yes, avoid them. Make sure you use organic cream or shampoo that will not harm or pose harm to you and your baby. So avoid any form of chemicals. Don't put them in the mouth, don't put them in the eye or on the skin. Some kind of creams are not even good because they contain some kind of chemicals that may be harmful to you and your baby, mostly to the baby, the developing fetus. So please avoid any form of chemical, and also refrain from high impact exercises. High impact exercises like hard exercise. Maybe you want to slim fit in pregnancy because you're thinking you're too fat. Please refrain from those ones. I told you before that you should do exercises that are moderate for pregnant women, but don't do exercises that are too hard for you because it might cause abortion or miscarriage of the baby. Then number three, make sure you avoid excessive heat. As a pregnant woman, avoid excessive heat. Yes, even the showers you're having, make sure it is not too hot because too much hot water will cause too much high temperature and it is not good for you and your baby. So avoid excessive heat. Yes, avoid excessive heat. Avoid certain medication, which is number four. Avoid certain medications. Yes, there are many medications that they might deem fit, or they will say yes, these ones are good for pregnant women, but please seek the instruction of your gynecologist, your doctor, before taking any kind of medication. Some medication, sometimes you have constipation, then they will ask you to take this or take that. Please seek the advice of your doctor before taking that medication. Please do well to seek the advice of your doctor. Then avoid certain foods like some raw seafoods. Avoid them because some seafood, like some sea fishes, they contain mercury. So avoid them, and mercury is very harmful to the baby, the growing fetus. Please avoid it. Avoid it. Yes, avoid it. Please, number 6 is don't neglect your dental care. Yes, in pregnancy, some pregnancies comes with the symptom. Even me myself, when I was pregnant, I had this symptom of swollen gum. Yes, I had this symptom of swollen gum. But even at that, please seek the advice of your dentist. Even before you get pregnant, seek the advice of your dentist because you might have that kind of symptom. So don't neglect your dental care. Always brush your teeth. Please, always brush your teeth. Always. Make sure you always brush your teeth. Then number 7 is make sure you minimize the intake of caffeine. This number, this number 7, I'm talking to those people that wants to get pregnant, and also those people that are already pregnant, because it will cause miscarriage. All those people that like taking Coke, Fanta, avoid intake of. If you want to, if you know you like it so much, you can reduce the amount, like take half cup or one full cup, but the cup should not be that big, please. Yes, it should not be that big. Then number 8 is make sure you avoid stress. Any form of stress, please avoid it. Avoid any form of stress. Avoid any form of stress. Stress is not good for the pregnant woman, for her baby. So please avoid it. Any form of stress, avoid it. Then number 9 is avoid smoking and drinking. It will affect the baby. Smoking might also cause the baby to have this smoking syndrome. In fact, It's very harmful for the baby and for both yourself and the baby. So please avoid smoking. Avoid it because it is not good for the baby. Last but not the least is avoid skipping meals. Most pregnant women are having this symptom of vomiting anything they take in. Once they take in this, they will vomit it. Once they take in that, they will vomit it. Some don't have appetite to eat. But even at that, please try your best to eat the food for the development of your baby. If not for yourself, please try your best to eat food for your baby because it is essential. Try not to skip any meal because skipping meal might even increase nausea. For those people that are having the symptom of nausea, it will really increase it. So don't skip meal. Always eat in the morning, afternoon and evening. Anytime you're hungry, please try and eat. If you know that this teaching is very good for you, if you find it to be helpful, make a comment in the comment section, and please subscribe to my channel. Make sure you turn on your notification. I remain your lovely midwife, Asu Ebimobere Echo.